So today we're watching the New Year's Eve fireworks. We are so excited. I let the kids stay up to 12 just this once. I would never have let them do it otherwise. But I'm probably going to have to go put Hallie to bed soon because it is 10 o'clock and we're just waiting for the fireworks to begin. We're just having some snacks and both mine and Jacob's parents are here. Let me introduce you to my parents. So this is my dad John and he gets called Poppy by the kids. And this is my mum Rachel and she gets called Gigi. Hi guys, nice to meet you. What's up friends? You already know Charlotte and Scott, otherwise known as Grandpa Scott and Nana. So Jacob started the fire because it was getting a little chilly, but we will have some hot chocolates.
It's now 11:50 and I've put Hallie to bed and the fireworks are going to begin any second, so we're so excited.
It's nearly 2023, yay! Ready, 3, 2, 1.
That's enough now kids, the fireworks are going to start soon. 3, 2, 1. After around 15 minutes the fireworks turned off, but it was really loud and hopefully didn't wake Hallie up. So both mine and Kayla's parents are staying over for the night because it might be a bit hard for them to get home straight away because it is like past midnight now. Bye guys, we wish you a happy new year and hope you all stay safe in 2023. Bye!
Lois, why don't you hold it? Finally took you long enough.